Welcome to my introductory devlog for the ultimate virtual reality turret shooter. I am Warped Imagination, and I make immersive experiences for a living. I've always wanted to build a series of games in virtual reality that really heavily immerse the player in the experience. Force feedback, custom hardware, full motion of movement, and high graphical fidelity. Born out of this want was a company called Ultima Mechanics. It was to be part hardware and part software, building custom solutions to immersion with a bespoke set of simulators, weaponry, and fun games to use them in. First these games, and the first footprint to be left by Ultima Mechanics, is a game codenamed Paladin, a turret wave shooter played out on a full motion simulator, with the player controlling the action via a patented set of articulated arms. You can see an early prototype in the video shown here. I'm the awkward looking guy, getting in and struggling somewhat to get the harness on. Now during development of Paladin, I decided to also create a direct-to-consumer version of the game. I see no point in restricting the fun just to the people who can get to the simulators, though I will be honest, nothing quite beats fighting in space from a customised motion simulator while in virtual reality. The visuals you see here in this footage are from a very early prototype used for building and testing the simulator, and are not from the actual game. For the look of the game, we can turn to the concept images from the art director of Ultima Mechanics, Gurmukh Bhasin. I have linked his website in the description. The guy is super talented, and his work on Star Citizen is one of the things that drew a mech head, like myself, towards working with him. I wanted to get this intro video up as a start to the series of devlogs showing progress on the project, and talking about some of the design decisions that are going into developing it, and of course, showing some footage of the gameplay and the simulator. In the coming months, I will bring more videos dissecting the project and keeping everyone up to date. So if you're interested, get subscribed so you can see them as they arrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.